Hello guys, I am Anil Bhatkar, your lecturer for English. Today we are discussing about unit number 1, and in unit number 1 1.6, that is active voice and passive voice. Course outcomes are: use relevant verbs in constructing sentences. Student means you should use appropriate verb for appropriate sentences. Formulate grammatically correct sentences for specific situation. You should develop ability to make your own sentences as per the situation. These are the course outcomes of this topic. As well as the student should know what is active voice and what is passive voice. What is the difference between active voice and passive voice? What is the mean by active voice and passive voice? How to identify active voice and how to identify passive voice, and how to interchange active to passive and passive to active. These are the course outcomes of this video of this topic. Means student community, you should know what is active voice, what is passive voice, why it is called active voice, why it is called passive voice, its structure, its meaning, and why should we do it. Okay, reason behind it. As engineers, you should ask more questions and find out it questions answer. Examination point of view also important. Active voice and passive voice 1.6. The same topic will ask in question number 4e for 4 marks. Change the voice. There are 4 sentences. It is your duty to interchange the sentences, maybe active to passive or passive to active. It will be asked in final paper in question number 4e. Change the voice for 4 marks. Be careful. These are the course outcomes of this topic. Have you got it? General outcomes means constructing sentences using proper verb without avoiding grammatical errors. Second, formulate grammatically correct sentences. Okay, these are the generals. As well as students should know what is active voice and what is passive voice, its meaning, its structure, its interchange, and why should we do it. Because in competitive exam 1 or 2 questions will be asked from this topic in English grammar. In our examination point of view, it will be asked in question number 4e for 4 marks. Have you got it? Then turn towards our topic 1.6, active voice and passive voice. Can you tell me what is mean by active voice and what is mean by passive voice, and how to identify it is active voice and passive voice? Have any specific answer? First, we are discussing active voice. What is active voice, why it is called active voice, and what is the function which is performed by active voice in the sentence. Okay, let's see. Voice, first of all, voice means, okay, I give clear definition of voice also. Okay, in 1.1 articles, it is a small man-made particles in English. Preposition, conjunction, you know it. Okay, types of sentences I clarified. Tenses I also clarified. Here, what is voice, why it is called active passive, how to identify it, and how to interchange. I can clearly discuss the same thing with you. Okay, be careful. First of all, voice is the form of verb which indicates whether subject does something or something has done to it. What is this? Voice is a form of verb. Basically, voice means it is a verb, and it clearly indicates the subject is doer or subject is receiver. Have you got it? Is voice क्या है? It is a form of verb that indicates in that sentence subject is doer, and in that sentence subject is not doer but subject is receiver. The action is done on the subject. There are two type of voices, active voice and passive voice. First we will discuss 1.6.1. This is definition, active voice and passive voice. What is mean by voice? Voice means nothing or it is a form of verb which denotes, which indicates that subject is doer or subject is receiver. Have you got it? It is a simple definition, but concrete definitions I will explain you after this discussions. Active voice, first of all we are discussing active voice. When the subject is the agent or doer of the action, the verb is in the active voice. What is voice? Basically, it is a form of verb which indicates subject is doer, a subject is receiver. If the subject is doer, the action is performed by the subject. The verb is performed by the action means verb. Okay, the action is performed by the subject. The same sentence is called active voice. For example, the boy makes a kite. Here, boy is a subject, makes it is a verb. Okay, voice main thing is verb. Voice is nothing but just form of verb. Here verb is makes. Makes indicate it is active voice because in this sentence the boy is a subject and he performed the action on a kite. Kite is a object. My next question is how to identify object. It also okay. If you ask the questions start from what and whom to subject and verb, then answer is called object. If the answer comes from what question, then it is called direct object, and if the answer comes from whom subject, whom question, then it is called indirect object. Here is subject plus verb plus object या complement. This is structure of active voice. Be careful. Subject simple होना चाहिए उसमें, सॉरी वर्ब सिंपल होना चाहिए, भी सिंपल होना चाहिए तो ही वो एक्टिव वॉइस है. बिकॉज वॉइस मीन्स नथिंग बट इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. वर्ब क्लियरली डिनोट अस that it is an active voice, it is a passive voice. Don't think about the subject and object, just concentrate on the verb. Verb clearly denote it is active voice या passive voice. Here is simple verb. देखो explanation same दिया है उन्होंने. In this example, the verb make shows that the subject, the boy, does something. Here, the doer of the action is important. The subject act, so it is called the active voice. What is the basic purpose of active voice? In active voice, subject is important, action is not important. Okay, subject perform the action upon the object, so subject is important. When we emphasize, when we want to give importance to the subject, at that time we use construction of active voice, that is called subject plus verb plus object या complement. Okay, do you know voice means it is a basically it is a form of verb which denotes action. Subject is doing action, yeah, subject is not doing action. Subject is important, then it is active voice. Object is important, action is important, then it is a passive voice, because subject is passive in that sentence. That's why it is called passive voice. Here subject is active, subject perform action upon the object. Subject is important, we want to give emphasize, we want to give importance to the subject, then it is called active voice. Simple structure, subject plus verb plus object या complement. In this sentence, the boy is a subject, makes verb, and a kite it is a object. Have you got it? I repeat it. What is voice? Basically it is a form of verb which denotes action is doing by subject or action is doing by object. In active voice, subject is important, subject perform the action, subject is doing action, that's why it is called active voice. Structure V, simple V, subject plus verb plus object a complement. Use when we want to highlight, when we want to give importance, when we want to emphasize the subject, then it is called active voice. In passive voice, subject is passive, action is important. Subject is not important, action is important. That time we can use passive voice structure. Okay, here subject is passive, that's why we call it passive voice. Action is important, object is important, object perform action. Okay, here passive voice, when the subject is target or receiver of the action. Subject is a target, he is a receiver of action, he is not doer of action. Object is doer of action. The verb is said to be in passive voice. Okay, at that time subject is passive. Okay, the action is important, so it is called passive voice. For example, a kite is made by the boy. In active voice, the boy make the kite, a kite. Here a kite is made by the boy. Here structure is subject plus to be plus verb past participle plus complement plus by plus object. Is it clear? इट इज क्लियर? क्या किया हमने, इंटरचेंज कर रहे हैं हम सब्जेक्ट टू ऑब्जेक्ट या ऑब्जेक्ट टू सब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे ऑब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह पे सब्जेक्ट ले रहे हैं हम। क्यों? क्योंकि एक्शन को इम्पोर्टेंस दिखाना है हमें, एक्शन इज इम्पोर्टेंट, सब्जेक्ट इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट। दिस इज अ स्ट्रक्चर, दिस इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ पैसिव वॉइस। इन एक्टिव वॉइस सब्जेक्ट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, इन पैसिव वॉइस action is important, subject is not important. In active voice simple verb, here is to be plus past participle, we added to be plus past participle in passive voice and it shows, it denotes action is important. Okay, here to be, which are the to be we are using in passive voice? Am is are, it is a present time to be, was where, it is a past time to be, and be being been, it is a perfect time to be. In this example, the verb phrase is made shows that something is done to the subject. A kite. Okay, something is done, a kite is done, something. Here person or things acted upon is to be made prominent. The subject is not active. Here subject is not active, but the receiver some action, but receive some action. Subject is not active, but he receives some action. He is a subject is not active. Okay, subject is not active, action is active, action is important, so it is called passive voice. Simple beta. Active voice means subject is important, passive voice means action is important. Why are doing, we replace subject to object या object to subject. What we are changing in the form of verb, to be or past participle is added या removed. Okay, what is voice? Basically it is a form of verbs, okay, which denotes subject is doer या subject is not doer, subject is receiver. Is it clear? In another word, voices means transmission of action from subject to object or object to subject. Okay, in simple word, what is a active voice and passive voice? What is voice? It is a transmission of action. Action means verb, transmission from subject to object or object to subject. Active voice, subject is active, passive voice, subject is passive. Why did we use active voice? We want to highlight, we want to give emphasis, we want to give importance to the subject. That time we are using active voice. When did we use passive voice? Passive voice denotes action is important, subject is not important, subject is a receiver of action, action is performed upon the subject. This is the passive voice. I hope you can understand it. Okay, what we discussed, the definition of voice, basically it is a form of verb, transmission of action, transmission of verb from subject to object or object to subject. Structure subject plus verb plus object a complement. This is structure of active voice. Subject plus to be plus verb past participle plus object plus by plus object. It is structure of passive voice. Active voice denotes subject is important, passive voice denotes subject is not important but action is important. Have you got it? Hope you can understand it. Next lecture, next video, we are discussing conversion of active voice to passive voice from one by one. First we will take assertive sentence, second we take imperative sentence, and third we take interrogative sentence. Okay, today's video what we discuss, what is voices. Basically it is a form of verb, in another word, transmission of action from subject to object, या object to subject. How to identify? Simple verb is active voice. To be plus verb past participle, it is a passive voice. What is the function? Active voice denotes subject is important. Subject is doer of the action. And passive voice denotes subject is important. Subject is not important, but subject is passive. Action is important. Okay, subject is a receiver of action. Have you got it? Structure: active voice subject plus verb plus object a complement. And in passive voice, subject plus to be plus verb past participle plus object plus by plus ob- uh, plus object. Have you got it? Have you got it? Okay. Next video we are discussing interchange, a conversion from active to passive or passive to active. First assertive sentence, then interrogative, and then imperative. Hope you can understand it. Suppose you have any doubt regarding this, please share your doubt in face-to-face discussion. But be sure about the structure of active voice and passive voice and its function, which is performed by the sentences. Active voice means subject is important. Passive voice means action is important. Transmission of sentences, transmission of action. V means active, to be plus verb past participle means passive. There is no matter of by and etc. There is no matter of subject and object. Just replace. Okay. Okay. Thanks.